On February 12th, 2023, an officer received a phone call from a check cashing place regarding a husband and wife attempting to cash a check for the amount of $15,000. Initially, the transaction seemed legitimate to the clerk, but it turned out the check was fake and officers were on their way. Initially, the perpetrators had no idea why the officer was there. They seemed very comfortable. However, what they didn't know was that they were in for a surprise.
Yeah. But I've done it before here. What? Yeah. Yeah. The bank's just closed. It smells like a little Christmas. Yeah, it's in the car. Do you want me to get it? Okay.
You guys stand up for me? Stand up. Can you turn around, face the wall? Good at him. Put your stuff down on the counter. Back down. Put your hands up. You have anything sharp on you?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just turn around and see for me. You guys have identification with you?
They have
Here, scoot over here.
He has it. No, I don't have it. He has it. He has it? Yes, sir. He has it.
Do you have their IDs and stuff? And what did they try to pass? Can I see that as well? And who'd you call to verify this?
My boss. I sent it to my verification department.
Okay. And what'd they tell you?
It confirmed it's going, and it is confirmed with the owners of the check report. Issued in 2018.
So this is not them? False names?
These are issued in 2018, and they're brand new. Those Georgia IDs.
Okay.
They never went from Georgia.
Gotcha. All right. I'm gonna hold on to this and I'll be right back with you, okay?
I do need it, because I need to double check if I can give that to you. So, you know, I can
Okay.
print you a copy. I usually print a copy.
That's fine. You can do that if you want to.
How did you get from point A to point B?
All right, guys.
Oh, it's not that complicated, but I guess.
Listen to me, okay? So before we proceed any further, okay, I'm gonna read you both Miranda rights, okay? That just means I'm gonna ask you some questions, okay? But you have rights before I do so, all right? All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk with a lawyer, have a lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you before questioning. I'm speaking to a lawyer, okay? So first thing, I'm gonna ask you, I'm only gonna ask you one time. What is your first name?
Was this okay?
Linda?
Okay.
What's your last name? I know this is not you guys, and I'm about to hook you up to a scanner, so I'm giving you one option and one option only.
I'm Shania.
Okay,
Paul Montero.
okay, so this is you. This is what you're sticking with.
That's my picture on there.
Okay, all right, just sit tight, I'm gonna grab my rapid ID.
The perps would attempt to manipulate the officer by giving him a fake name. But what they didn't know is their system can read fake IDs.
All right, do me a favor, stand up for me. Just face that way. then it might not be a good scan on that right one. Come on, take her with me real quick. Stand up for me. I'll walk outside. So what's your first name again?
Am I even arrested?
I'm trying to identify you guys first, and then I'm going to explain everything and the reason why I'm here, okay? Okay, are you from here?
Not from Indian River County.
Where are you from?
River County.
Okay, I'm just going to scan your fingerprints real quick, okay? Is he also from Brevard County? Huh? Okay. Have you guys ever been in trouble before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, for what?
I just got off probation
For?
for possession of methamphetamine.
Okay. Do you have any methamphetamine in the bag in there? Do you have any methamphetamine on your person?
No.
Okay. When was the last time you used?
It's been a while. I was on probation for 3 years, so early term, I got out.
Okay. What's his name?
Yeah, he doesn't have anything back. I don't know what he's messing with.
You messing with something. You messing with the phone. The phone.
It's ringing.
They keep playing around with things.
That's why.
I don't know, that's why I turned sideways. He was watching it.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, we gotta stuff in the back of your pants and tear stuff up.
I don't have anything in my pants.
You say you did.
You're right.
His name. Because I know it's not. One, these IDs are brand new. And they say they were issued in 2018. That's how we know they're fake. Okay? And two, the check you're trying to cash in there is stolen.
Okay, so what does that mean for us?
Well, that means I need to, one, identify who you are.
Are we going to jail?
If I can determine that this is not the case and it's an error, then no. But I still need to identify who you are. That's the reason why I'm here. That's the reason why you're in handcuffs.
What do you mean if you can identify?
They're telling us that the check is stolen, so that would be a felony passing a fraudulent check.
No, okay.
Okay. Just look at them. I'm just going to throw this out there that these were issued in 2018. Okay? Look how brand new these things are.
I know.
That was a dead giveaway to the cashier in there. Okay? So what he does is he does a two-step verification on that check in there. One, it's coming from the Treasury Department, so it's not like it's a personal check.
Right.
So when they get it, that it's verified that the person that is listed to, they're confirming that it's stolen.
Okay.
Okay? Both of your names are on there. Obviously, these IDs were created. Where did the IDs come from?
Somebody that I don't even know his name, to be honest with you. I don't know where they came from, to be honest with you.
So he just had them made for you guys?
Yes.
How'd you guys get down here?
A friend of ours.
Okay, so none of these vehicles in the parking lot are your guys'?
No.
Okay. Because we can pull the cameras and we can see if you guys rode up.
No, yeah,
Okay.
none of them are ours. We got a ride.
Okay.
So,
But you're not on currently active probation?
no,
All right.
I just got off.
Gotcha. Okay.
So
as like I told you, I still got to do the investigation. So he's still got to do his verifying step process. But I want to have you sitting here so I can talk to her.
Okay.
Because like I'm telling you right now that these are the real money are saying that it's stolen from what I'm getting from them. It could be a different story. However, that's the reason why we've been called here today. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all I'm gonna have you do is just sit in the car. He can come out. We've got the real people who've already confirmed that it's no good. We're just trying to figure out how you got the check. Good. What about the ID cards? As you can tell, I'm gonna give you a hand. 2018, these things look brand new. They're gonna be kept separate though, so I need one vehicle stagehand and one for her. 1208. Can I get one that's CID? CID, but I need to transport them separate.
Okay. I can take him. Andy, watch him off in my car. The light there.
a copy of the check, and then do you have, actually, just your last name? And what's it?
I'll give you a copy of the check, and I gave the other gentleman, the phone number. Of
Yeah, I got it right here.
Perfect. I'm getting this right now for you. This is that check. This has some information as to date, time that he came in. I took a picture of both of them there. I'll get you a larger picture of the both of them there.
Who was the one that scanned the fingerprint?
The gentleman.
Okay. That's pretty good. I'm just looking on here, this is a tax refund from 2022?
Well, that's the most current. So that last year is the most current tax.
Yet they waited this whole time to do that.
Well, I mean, they received it. This is a real check.
Yeah.
It's just that either he's not pulled or it's stolen. So meaning these people actually received, got their check mailed out 11/20/2022.
Gotcha.
Taxes suck, you know?
Alrighty, thank you, sir. Yep. Okay, so I found it.
From what?
Nothing.
Where?
One of your little tin things.
10 things.
You have a little pink tin screw top.
See, no, I didn't know that was in there.
Okay, so here's the thing is, he's going to jail.
Okay.
You're getting one opportunity to speak with a detective at the station.
Okay.
Okay. Whether he does anything to assist you, that's solely up to you.
What do you mean?
If you explain your situation and you help him out, I mean, like I said, you're looking at serious felonies right now.
Okay.
You'll probably go to prison. I'm not the judge. I'm just letting you know that where you're standing at. I don't know your previous history either.
Okay.
Okay? So you're going to go with them, and then he's going to jail. He already sealed his case. Okay? All right, so
Where am I going with them?
you're going with the other deputy,
Okay.
and then I'm going to take your boyfriend. Okay? So step out for me.
The couple made it safely down to the jail, which for them is the perfect place to spend their honeymoon. The case is still ongoing and they are seeking to go to trial. Write a comment below, guilty or not guilty.